she was away for a while and now she's back. So today is a couple of simple balances, nice ones for beginners. So join us, okay? Put your weight on your left leg, most of your weight on your left leg. We're just going to step the right leg to the front and just touch the toe on the floor. Arms are out to the side for extra balance, and from here, just a little tiny lift. Just a little lift. If you want to go, oh, that's a bit hard, whatever, you go there and you drop it. Can you do sideways so you can be holding the wall?
Yes.
Yeah.
I get the easier job today.
So
I'm very
just
happy.
go to here, and then when I've already let you be here for about 20 seconds, so just bring the leg back down. Okay. All right. So Hannah's going to touch onto the wall as she does this. So remember, you can hold a chair or anything. Okay. Out to the side again. We're going to do that one more time. Lifting up, just a little lift. Now, if you feel that's easy, you lift it up higher. Okay, and you just hold it. But keep your chest up, keep your eye gaze forward. A nice balance, and back down. Okay, excellent. Now, shake it out. We're not staying on anything too long. Need a little shake. Okay, so now your weight is on your right leg. Okay, slight bend in the knee, just a little slight bend in the knee, chest upright. This other leg's to the front. I'm putting my arms out to the side for balance, and I'm just going to have a little lift to the front. Now, if you feel you're losing it, you just bring it back down. Okay?
Or use the wall like I do.
Or use the wall. Always good to feel safe. Okay, whoops, there we go. Feel safe. So use a wall, use a chair, hold it, and bring it down. Excellent. We did that twice on that other side, didn't we? Yeah, we did. Yeah. I'm like a goldfish. I can't remember what I did 30 seconds ago. Okay, here we go. Same leg. Okay, so we're lifting up. We just had a little break. Okay. So balancing. If you find that's too easy again, if you go, oh, too easy, try that. Okay, it's a bit harder. Just, try to work different levels. As you get a bit better, you just go a little bit harder. But always stay nice and safe. Excellent. We're down here. Shake it out.
And back in the front.
Okay, you're back in the front. But you know what? You're going to go to that side again.
Yeah.
So I'm pushing her over that side so she can show you what you can do. Use a wall. Use a wall. So what we're going to do next is just a tree, a very simple tree from yoga. Okay. So your weight is on your right leg. Left leg comes in. So you're going to get this left leg and you turn your hip. Okay, turn your hip. So this leg here is on the floor, okay? Yeah, just on your ankle. Perfect. That's an easy version. That's great. So we're here, and that's tree. That's tree level 1, really. You can stay there. If you want to make it a little bit harder, you bring that foot up onto your calf muscle. So just there. But try to push your hip out as you're doing this and keeping nice and tall. Keeping your balance. Finding what they call a dristi point in yoga, which is just a point somewhere that isn't moving, I'm coming back down here, so that you can focus on that point. It does help. Okay, arms coming down. Okay, I didn't stay there for very long. We both were discussing it before. We both haven't got very good balance today. But you know what? That happens. Also, it's probably easier not being on a spongy mat as well.
Yeah.
Makes it easy being on the floor. So we go the other side?
Other side.
Okay.
Got it.
Weight on left leg. Okay, other leg comes in here. You can stay there if you want. But if you want to make it harder, and also if you're holding onto a wall or chair, you can probably do this one. Because you've got something there to help with your balance. It's worth giving it a shot. Okay, finding your dristi point. Smile if you like. I smile when I tend to fall. I've been smiling a lot today. Okay, remember, stay there or arms up if you want to make it harder. Whoops, yeah. And arms coming back down. And back down to the floor, because we're not staying on anything very long.
No.
We're going to quickly do those again, but we're going to start on the first side. We've got one. Sorry, tell me which side that was.
This one.
This one, that's right. Okay, right leg, weight on the floor. Okay, left leg comes in. Okay, we're good. I'm going to do this one this time. My hands on my hips. I'm changing around, just showing you different versions. How's Hannah going? She's still holding the wall?
Yeah.
Yeah, and the floor?
Yeah.
Yeah, excellent. So we just, oops, there we go. and 3, and 2, and 1. Okay, good. Other side. Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go. Here we go. I'm testing out which leg is better today. Remember to keep that hip out. Remember to keep your chest up. Okay? And if it's too hard, we go here or we grab a chair. Alright? Good. I'm just going here today. Just holding it there. Whoops. I'm staying with my tree. 2 and 1. Coming down. Shake it out. Shake it out. Well done. Well done.
We did it.
We did it. You did it. Thanks for joining us for that little session of a few easy balances, and we'll catch you next time. Say bye.
Bye.